Welcome, Annie Collins here for White Rose Crafts. Today we're going to be unboxing this Sweet Violet limited edition card making and craft kit. These kits are full of lots of goodies. So I'm going to take it all out here, put it on my desk. We're going to start with the paper, so I'm going to move all the goodies off to the side. And we're going to start with the Aspire Petalics cardstock, and this is 8.5 by 11, 98-pound cover weight in two colors. You're going to get it in spearmint, and this is the tone goes all the way through, so it's either double-sided basically. And you're going to get it in mountain rose. Again, the shimmer is on both sides. Then you're going to get an iridescent lilac paper from Craft Creations, and this is a UK company. This is single-sided and it's nice thin paper. It's like layering weight, but perfect to die cut your sentiments out of. Then you're going to get the Craft UK die cut decoupage, which is the rose, the pansy, and the daisy. And you have a variety here, and these basically you pop them up, and there's numbers to coordinate with each of the items here. So this is the B. Let's go over. This is your main one. You use a little foam dot, and then you layer the next one over, so you get a nice dimension on your card. And you have that for all of these flowers right here. Next, we're going to go and look at the ephemera. This is an ephemera sheet from LemonCraft. It's the Violet Silence. It's from the Vintage Time collection. You have 6 of these card parts, which are perfect for just adding your stamping your sentiment directly on it, or you can put one on a label and pop it up. You also have these little flowers here in the two tones, in this pink and the little violet color, with some leaves that you can just cut apart and use on your cards. So those are our bigger papers and embellishments. Let's start with our 6x6 Violet Silence collection from LemonCraft. These are all single-sided papers, and you're going to get 18 in your kit. These are beautiful because they have all this layering done to them already for you. So as you can barely see, there's like a stenciling in the background here. You have some nice color washes, some florals on the corners. You can cut these for now the little 6x6 slimline, or the 3x6 slimlines. This one I love because it's got that wood grain, and then it has some stenciling layered over it. As you can see, the colors of our previous cardstock match beautifully with this paper. Some of these have some writing. It looks like some type font. This one is really pretty. It has these little quilted, but they're not little hearts. They're like little X's in the center. Really pretty. Little dotted there. I don't think my camera's picking it up so well. This one has some splatter and some type font in the section, but it's very light. Perfect for your backgrounds on your cards. And this is a nice paper. It's not too thin and it's not too thick, so it's perfect. This one has a lot. This one looks like tiles to me. It has like that tile effect. Again, this one has like a printed doily in there, so you could use it any which way you want, and also has some of that lettering or type font. Some distress on the edges. So all the distressing or splattering is all done for you, which is perfect, so you don't have to worry about doing all that. It has a vintage feel, but it also has a nice, lovely spring and summer feel. All right, so let's move on to our stamp set. This is the Woodware Photopolymer Cling Stamp Set. It's called Garden Greetings. You have a variety of images here. You have the potted plant, you have a bee, you have a little snail, a butterfly, some standalone flowers, and some great sentiments like bloom. Say it with flowers. A garden grows with love. You have a birthday sentiment. So you have a variety that can be used for just friendship or just because, or birthdays. You have next our want to scrap lilac pearlescent pearls, and these are sticky back. Then you have some doilies here, and these are 6 Dovecraft Floral Muse doilies. You get 2 in pink, 2 in this light green, and 2 in this like creamy color. You get this beautiful raffia, and that raffia is from Dovecraft. Also, it's called the Forget Me Not raffia, and it's 3 coordinating colors. Then you get some ribbons here. This ribbon here is a selection of the gorgeous lilac satin ribbon and 2 white lace sections, and these are 4.5 feet approximately, so that you can create on your cards. Next, we get these beautiful mulberry flowers. You're going to get 10 in these, and they're also in the nice violet colors. You're going to get an assortment of buttons here. These are from Dovecraft, and you get about 25 in here, and they're called the Floral Muse. You have some of them shaped like little flowers, circles, and little squares. You're going to get the pearlescent, then you get 10 of these. These are ribbon buckles sliders. And then we're going to get some wood veneers here, and these are from Kaisercraft's mini wooden flourishes, and they're called Tea Time. And you get this little wooden doily, a teacup and teapot, a little cupcake, a little flower, and this little phrase here about friendship. It says forever friends. They're perfect. You can leave them as is, or you can color them with your inks and give them more of a little tint to them. And then of course you're gonna get the exclusive to this kit. It's called the Sweet Violet White Rose Shaker Blend, and this is a small pack, but it is fully packed. You have some large butterflies, some small butterflies in there. You get some florals, some little hearts, some little shaky things, little pearls. It's a beautiful mix. So this, one more thing, I almost forgot. You're going to get a full Wink of Stella glitter violet pen, and that is the entire Sweet Violet kit. I will have everything that's in the kit listed in the description box below, so that in case you miss anything I said real quick, you have something to refer to. Now, White Rose Crafts, if you don't know much about them, they are US based, but the owner is from the UK, and so she carries a lot of products from the UK and Europe, so that we have a nice variety. She carries, of course, our local or well-known brands, Lawn Fawn and such, but she has a variety of other products. She also has a lot of other kits available. There's a Valentine's kit right now, a guy's kit, and a few others, so I'll have those listed down as well. And she has a variety of stamps, dies, anything and everything you can think of. So please stop by and check it out. Thank you so much for being here today.